Hello, today we will be going over questions from Module 1, Lesson 9. And today what we need to know is that we can use place value or understanding of place values to round multi-digit numbers to any place value. A strategy that we have used in the past videos were rounding roller coaster. And on our rounding roller coaster, we have digits going up and down on a roller coaster. Some digits that are going down are digits 1, 2, 3, and 4. And digits that are going up are 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now we have to round to the nearest 1,000 without using a number line. So instead of using a number line, I am going to use my place value chart. I'm going to start putting my numbers into the place value chart, starting with the digit in the ones place. We have 3 in the ones place. We also have 3 tens, 3 hundreds, a comma which separates our hundreds, tens, and ones from our thousands, and in the thousands place we have a 4. So this number is 4,333. The digit in the thousands place is the digit we would like to round. So we're going to put a line underneath that digit, which is a 4. Next, we're going to circle the digit next door, which is 3 in the hundreds place. 3 on our rounding roller coaster is one of those digits that are being rounded down. So the other digits become a 0 as well, making our new number 4,000. Next, we're going to be rounding to the nearest 10,000 or 100,000 without using a vertical number line. Again, we could try to use our place value chart. I am now going to start putting in the digits in the place value chart. We know another strategy is to have the number written out so we can underline the digit that we are going to be rounding and then circle the digit next door. Because this number only has 5 digits, that means that we could only round it to the nearest 10,000. I'm going to start by putting my digits in the ones and tens place, which are both zeros. Next, we have 6 in the hundreds place and a comma that separates our hundred, tens, and ones from our thousands. We also have a 5 in the thousand spot and a 6 in the 10,000 spot. Next, we're going to underline the digit in the 10,000s place. That digit is 6. That means we need to circle the digit next door, which is 5. Where would 5 be on a rounding roller coaster? 1, 2, 3, 4. We round down. Then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We round up. So 5 is going up on the rounding roller coaster. That means we're going to add one more to the digit next door, which will now make our new number, or the number that is being rounded, into 70,000. That means that 65,600 is closer to 70,000. Lastly, we looked at our I can statement. It said that we could round any number to any place value. So we're going to take up that challenge. And I'm going to show you multiple ways to do it. One would be on our place value chart. The other would just be to rewrite the number and circle the digits that they are speaking about. We are going to be working with the number 147,591. The first box requires us to round it to the nearest hundred spot. That means simply that the digit in the hundreds, which is a 5, will be rounded. The digit next door is on the roller coaster. 9 is one of the digits that round up. So we're going to add one more to 5 and rewrite this number as 147,600. When we round to the nearest hundreds place, we have the number in the hundreds and the other numbers become 0. We're going to try the same strategy again. This time we're going to round to the nearest thousand spot. Again, the strategy is to rewrite the number just so we could have it in front of us, or you could circle the number at the top. So here I need to underline the digit in the thousands place, which is a 5, and circle the digit in the hundreds place, which is next door. 5 is going up on the roller coaster. So you're going to add 1 more to 7, and these other digits become a 0, making this number 148,000. We're going to do the same thing to this number, but we are going to be rounding the 10,000 spot. Let's take a look at this number at the top. 147,591. The digit in the 10,000 spot is a 4. And the digit next door is a 7. 7 goes up on the roller coaster. So we will add 1 more to 4. So we'll rewrite this number as 1, 5 in the 10,000 spot, which is what we rounded, and the other numbers become 0. That means that 147,591 rounded to the nearest 10,000 is 150,000. That does make sense because 150,000 is closer to 147,000 rather than 140,000. Next, we're going to go and round to the nearest 100,000 spot. The number with 100,000 in it has 6 digits. This number does have a digit in the 100,000 spot. So I'm going to rewrite this number right here so we can work with it. And I'm now going to underline digits in the 100,000 spot, circle the digit next door. That digit is 4. 4 goes down on the rounding roller coaster. So all of the other digits will now round down to 0. And our answer would just be 100,000. Lastly, we're going to work with the digit, the same number, but we're going to work with the digit in the tens place. So I'm going to rewrite the number as our strategy. And I am going to underline the digit in the tens place, circle the digit next door, which is 1. 1 rounds down. So if we rewrite this number, all of the digits stay the same. The only digits that would change are the digits in the 10 spot and the ones, making this number 147,590. That makes sense because if you were thinking about the number 91, so blank, 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 our number would be 91. What comes before 91? 90. What comes after 91? 92. Right? And we have to round to the nearest 10. So the nearest number with only 10s in it it's 90. Whereas if we were rounding to the next 10, so let's put a next 10, 90 and 100, 91 is closer to 90 than 100. That's all for today. If you would like to try something that we did today, you could pause the screen and work on this number. Rounding 765,903 to the nearest thousands place, 10,000s place, and 100,000s place. Don't forget, you could always comment and write your answers in the comment section and like for more videos.